girl. Go get it. You can do it. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Fetch, Rowdy. Fetch. Good girl. Good girl. Thank you. See, that was fun, wasn't it? Want to get it again? Okay, go get it. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Rowdy. Fetch. Bring it here. Good girl. Yes, that's a very good girl, Rowdy. Good girl. Put your little face in the water, huh? Oops. Come here, Rowdy. Come here. Okay. She got her foot stuck. You see that?
No.
Good girl, Rowdy. Good girl. Yes.
Is she stuck?
Come on, Rowdy, come.
What is she doing?
Good girl, Rowdy. Bring it here. Come on, Miss Row. Come on. That's a good girl. Yeah, see, just relax. You can swim. It's much easier than you're making it.